So if you see, this is a typical discharge pump piping. Here we are having pump nozzle, discharge nozzle, hydrotest vent. Then we are having a removal spool. We have added one pair of flange here to remove this spool, because of whenever we want to take this pump out for maintenance, we have to remove this spool and this can be removed. So another, we are having one pressure gauge at this point, then check valve, return valve, then we are having a block valve. Downstream of this check valve we are having one valve and draining arrangement in between. So if you see, this hydrotest vent can be avoided if the elevation of this line is less, and we can see this pressure gauge by standing here only. Okay, then this pressure gauge can be replaced. This hydrotest vent can be replaced by this pressure gauge. And this is the typical configuration. Generally, the discharge line size is one or two size more than the pump nozzle. If you see, in suction line also, the suction nozzle was less as compared to the line size. In discharge line also, the nozzle size is less as compared to the pipe size. So that way we are getting an economical pump design also. Okay, that is ultimate aim, to get the economical design. So one of the factors is that also. So what we are having here, hydrotest vent, depending on the layout pipe routing, we can locate it here or we can replace it by pressure gauge. Pressure gauge, they are required for performance monitoring of the pump. Also to verify depressurization of the pump for maintenance. Okay, so this pressure gauge is fulfilling two purposes. One is monitoring the pump performance, and it can be used as a depressurization of the pump. Then we are having a check valve here, ensures not backflow of the content. Now the pump is increasing pressure and fluid is running in this direction. This check valve helps this fluid doesn't come back. If it comes back, then it can damage the impeller inside the pump. So this check valve is very important in discharge line. This has to have there. Then we have a block valve. Here we have a block valve to make the pump inline, offline or standby. Okay, so these are the basic items which are always there in discharge piping.
So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.